The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, central Matagorda County in southeastern Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Channel 2?
At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bay City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Bay City, Markham, Van Wyck, and Wadsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Coastal water forecast for the following Galveston Bay. This afternoon, north. I wanted to see who sang that song because some poor sap. I don't know, he's trying to pay his bills. He had to sing his heart out for Mutual Omaha commercial. There's no one.
Today, Gaza City had a small anti-war protest of its own. Gazans are balanced on the knife-edge of another ceasefire deal. Another military offensive. The conditions imposed by this war
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brazoria County and southeastern Texas, central Matagorda County and southeastern Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bay City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Texas, central Matagorda County and southeastern Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Day included, the severe thunderstorm was located near Wadsworth, moving east at 15 miles per hour. On the lower floor of a building and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay City, Markham, Van Wyck, and Wadsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brazoria County and Matagorda County until 6 p.m. this evening. A severe thunderstorm is located near Bay City, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Radar indicates potential hazards of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail with this storm. Again, this is a Lake City is issued for Brazoria County and Matagorda County until 6 o'clock this evening. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
Brazoria County and Matagorda County until 6 o'clock this evening. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service in Lake City is
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brazoria County and Matagorda County until 6 p.m. this evening. The severe thunderstorm is located near Bay City, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Radar indicates potential hazards of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail with this storm. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning for Brazoria County and Matagorda County until 6 o'clock this evening. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency
And
alert.
Siri, suggest notifications. 47 now. Let's try another 47, dude.
I can't believe that the Canadian people, let's say back in 2005, would have that nice because I'm thinking they asked whether the euthanasia is proper for the
Hold on, let's see for this one. Just see it for all the Texas. Is that it for that? Yes. Why the civil don't use your child abduction emergency for all the Texas? Again, another yesterday behind again.
That's all you say that and we have to consider now 25 parties and euthanasia parties.
Because back then, I didn't know what the TSTM
Wait for it. Wait for it.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Allen, Texas, beginning at 9:26 p.m. Thursday, August 21st and ending at 9:26 p.m. Friday, August 22nd. ANBER alert. Child abduction from San Antonio, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a white Dodge Caravan with Texas license plate WFB8.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Texas beginning at 9:26 p.m. Thursday, August 21st and ending at 9:26 p.m. Friday, August 22nd. ANBER alert. Child abduction from San Antonio, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a white Dodge Caravan with Texas license plate WFB8035. Missing child is of Oroville, New York, was 3-year-old white female. Suspect is Amber Hayden, 38-year-old white female. If seen, call 911.
Counting down for, oh yeah, this is all the greatest on the statewide again yesterday.